Today we are going to be making cloud bread.
And it's gonna be magical. These are the ingredients.
3 egg whites,
1 tablespoon of vanilla,
1 tablespoon of cornstarch,
2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and food coloring.
to color it.
I'm using red, my sister's using blue, and the hand mixer.
Now it's as smooth as a cloud. That's why it's called cloud bread.
You want to whisk it until it forms stiff peaks.
Now you bake at 300 for 25 minutes.
You're going to need adult supervision. Be careful. The oven is very, very hot at 300 degrees. Be careful. Use a glove or adult supervision.
Wow!
All right, taste it. Tell us what you think. What do you think?
This is my
So
new favorite
sticky.
snack.
What?
This is my new favorite snack. This is so good. Egg.
Ew.
It's so good and sticky.
Is it worth it or no?
Yeah.
It's the best thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Maya?
So good I can die.